Good morning, all. Today we are going to discuss two characteristics of the entrepreneurs in idea generations, creativity and innovations. Creativity or creations, this is nothing but a person may conceive of something new and envisions how it will be useful for the people, for the society. Something he is thinking new. It may be either invention, it may be either innovations. It emphasizes the ability, not the activities. The creativity is only it is idea, thought. Okay, how to make the things, visualizing the things, how to make to happen. Okay, what idea I should have so that it should help the people. Creativity is the ability to bring something new into existence, yes, which is so far as not there. New, new inventions, that is also a creativity. Therefore, the imaginations people who see or put a seeds as an idea are supposed to be essentially having skill to bring creative process into existence, nurture them, and develop them successfully. So creativity is must in entrepreneurs, the people who are not having any skill of thinking differently, definitely they are not good for becoming as an entrepreneur or enterprising because they have to always think differently, new product, new things, new way of approach, new project, diversification of the project. Okay, so that is very much required. Creativity is nothing but I just four stages I have to put in very short. Very first thing is germinations. Anything we put the seed into the soil, same thing if you are putting a seed as an idea, what it does if you are putting a seed into the germ, that plant comes out, tree comes out, so that the idea which comes as a recognition. So when it comes out idea, that will be recognitions. I say that outcome will be as a recognition of the seed. Okay, preparations, this is conscious search of knowledge. The once we have to prepare, when the idea has come to you, the next stage we have to think about, you have to prepare and go for around, go think about what is required for the that idea. And this is constantly we are searching for the knowledge that becomes rationalization. Incubations, that is fantastic. Okay, here subconscious, it comes in your mind. Assimilation of the information, sometimes I tell you all the great ideas, it comes in subconscious always. Okay, and that is if we are make it outcome will be as a fantasizing. Illuminations, okay, lighting, the illuminations nothing but is a recognition of idea as being feasible. How the idea you have made as a creation, and that idea it is being viable or feasible, whatever that idea to the society, it should not be idea to harm the society. Okay, that should be in a way of thinking that is called realization, actualization. Okay, verification. Once these things have done, you have idea, you have done this idea is feasible, is viable. of course, that idea has to be tested. It has to be verified. We have to have some applications of that idea, or test, or benchmarking, or whatever it is, some validation that comes as a value of validation. So I define four part of the creativity that is being explained to you. Innovations. We talk about innovations is the process of doing new things. But creativity is the prerequisite to the innovations. People, I tell you, everyone wants to be different from others. Everybody wants to do something new. Everybody wants to be specific, okay, in some areas. Everybody wants a new device for the people. And that is the reason innovation is nothing but the specific instrument of the entrepreneur. So innovations, it is must, it is essential characteristics of a entrepreneurs or businessman, new startup people. He should have a skill, okay, he should have a what I mean to say is something, some ideas, some feelings to do differently, where he endows the resources with a new capacity. If we use that innovation, that will bring to mass wealth. The idea, small idea that become a source of income, source of revenue, creates a resources. Of course, if anything comes in your ideas, that becomes resources for others. Many things like job, of course, if you have idea generation, you have started new business and you are making setup, and in setup, of course, you will be going for the, you are going to employ the people, skill labor, non-skill labor, definitely it will create a resources. It creates jobs. Try to create new and different values and convert a material into resource. Yes. Here I want to tell you some story. One of my friend, he was in many years in abroad, and they come back to India, mainly to Bangalore. They have come to Bangalore. His idea to help to his nation, India, and invest whatever he had experience in agriculture line. He was a doctorate and he wants to help the people. So he went around Karnataka border, Tamil Nadu, and others. He has seen that there are many, okay, so many what you call some sort of, okay, mountain, some type of, okay, powders of the coir powders, coconut, they are processing and they are making the coir, but from there they are making some powder, the heap of the powders are there, and that is nobody is using it, and it is lying as unused. He thought, why not I should do something to help the society. Here he made this powder utilized as a bricks of the fertilizer, and that bricks has been exported to the Europe and US, because for winter season they are using plantations in house, and that can be used as a fertilizing things. And so happen that unit become only a sport oriented unit, and this idea, for this idea resources he has taken, even it has been funded by the government. The idea that everything is there in the market, everything is there in the society, that you have to think that how to do your idea to be converted to help to the people, as well as you people also. And finally, That idea is being given, that particular idea, to many people in Tamil Nadu and Karnataka border, and people are doing this, indirectly helping the society. Innovations. There are three types of innovation based upon uniqueness of the ideas. One is incremental innovation. It's the one that occurs more frequently. There are small improvement or upgrade made to a company existing product, services, processes, or method, mainly in existing product or services, like Gillette company, especially in the region. See, generally Gillette company, they are with the experience, with the feedback of the customer, and their product going to the market, they always keep changing, innovating their product slowly, incremental stage, incremental basis. Okay, they have one blade, two blade, three blade, movable. It should be so. All those things, they are making some new innovations in their product. Technological innovation is the one occurs less frequently than incremental innovation, like in 3D printing technology. This printing technology now is become very popular, but it has taken time. Breakthrough innovations, neither incremental, neither technological. It is breakthrough innovations known as disruptive, like biggest disruptor to hit the auto industry over the next decade, or in the electric car, or 5G in wireless technology. This is going to be rule over the industry, and people are going to this industry. Of course, most of the product, most of the revenue available and working on the devices sector will be breakthrough innovation in these two areas. Maybe many other areas you may be knowing it, but these two areas I know. Thank you very much.